Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get remote start for only $250 plus tax on some Audi vehicles. As we all know, Audi doesn't put remote start on any other vehicle. At the same time, Audi is famous for their all-wheel drive quattro system, really great in snowy conditions. That make remote start really needed as a requirement, but they don't put it on. This is so 2021. Today, I am going to show you what we can do to make it happen for a very low price of $250 plus tax, at least on some vehicles. After the installations, I will only have one Audi key left on my hands. The other key will have to stay inside the car permanently, hidden somewhere, but that is the same for the remote start system for Audi in the market, all of them. I will have two remote keys from Compute Start. I will tell you in a minute what the difference are and how to use them in a second. After the installations, the first way to start the car remotely is to press the lock 3 times and the car will start. You see. Yep, it gets started, right? But the range of the Audi key doesn't go very far. That's why we can use the Compute Start key. What you can do is you press the remote start buttons and hold it for about 3 seconds. It will start. After that, you can obviously unlock your car and get into your car. And this is what you're going to have. Automatically, defroster will be turned on and heated seat will also be turned on. However, interesting enough, heated steering wheel will not, but that's good enough. And I think the heated steering wheel will follow the setup when you shut down the car last time. So if you leave it on, it will be on still. So how much for this? $250 plus tax and installation is included. Where is it? Best Buy. And my car is a 2019 Audi Q7. Sounds too good to be true, right? Almost, and I have the same feeling as a matter of fact. Especially since Best Buy doesn't really have the best name on the internet. I really have a concern. Is it true? Is the technician know what he's doing? So I decided to call them up and talk to the technicians. Happy surprise. It turned out that the technician know it well. He know it inside out. He know it what he was doing, and he can answer my questions really nicely. Because of that, I decided to make the purchase and let him install it. It turned out to be fantastic. Everything perfect. By the way, the normal price is $450. As a matter of fact, right now it is $450 even, but they run on sale all the time. I got a sale price, and the technician told me that if it is $450, you check it regularly, it will be $250 on any day, as a matter of fact. Make sure you call your local Best Buy. Make sure the technician really know what he's doing. That's very important. My biggest suggestion for you though. So now let's talk about the two keys from Compute Start. The silver key is a two-way key. When you press anything, it will come back and tell you whether it is successful or not, no matter it's locking the car or remote start. The black key is just one way. Whatever you want the car to do, it doesn't tell you whether it is successful or not. Other than that, they are very similar. The range are the same. They are both rated for 1,000 feet. And so far, I feel that is pretty close to reality. One Audi key has to stay inside the car, and you just have no choice for that one. All the systems in the market will have the same requirement. Unfortunately, the battery will be removed, so you could not start the car without another Audi key or without the remote start key. At least for that part is rather safe. I don't think the thief will be able to find the Audi keys inside the car and steal your car. But I know that could turn somebody away. It almost did to me actually. All the systems also tell you you could not drive the car without the other Audi keys. In fact, Best Buy will not even install the system if you do not take both keys together to the installations. And you could not argue with them for that part. However, I find a happy surprise. Let's check out. If you don't have your other Audi key, you could not start the car the normal way. The car will say the key is not available. So thief couldn't steal your car if you accidentally leave your car unlocked. Use your computer start key. Lock it. Remote start. After remote start, unlock the car. Open the door. Close the door. You in fact can drive your car away. You can do it either outside the car or inside the car. Yes, you can do it, even though they say you could not. I tried, as a matter of fact, very slowly. The worst thing you will see is there will be an indication saying that your Audi key is not available. That's it. No other problems. And sometimes it doesn't even show that. And I do not know why. However, don't do this at home, kid. I am not going to be responsible for whatever damage this may occur to you, no matter it's yourself or the car or anybody else. However, for myself, I feel pretty confident driving the car in this race without the second Audi key, at least in an emergency situation. I do not know about you. What a happy surprise! We can drive the car without the other Audi key, but they said you could not. You may also wonder if they need to cut any wire in installation. A lot of items exposed on the outside. The answer is no, they do not need to cut any wire. If you want, you can remove the system and everything will reverse back to Audi configurations. The only thing that exposed is the small antenna, and on my car, they put it on the upper left corner on the windshield. I'm pretty sure if you do not like this location, they can put it a different location. So it's a rather clean setup. Hey, we have a My Audi app, don't we? And we can lock the car with the app. So, can we use the app to lock the car 3 times to remotely start the car? The short answer is no, unfortunately. I wish it's a yes. In that case, we can remote start the car with our cell phone without limits on the range. But what a bummer, it doesn't work that way. And I have tried many times without success. If you have better luck, let me know. Leave a comment below. So let me tell you this. I have been very happy with this remote starter. It's not perfect. It could be improved, but it gets the job done well. Before I call up Best Buy, I in fact compare several systems in the market. Most of them cost a lot more. One of the systems costs something close to $800 and with very similar functions. And you have to install it yourself. I'm a DIY guy. I almost bought it, but I was extremely happy that I in fact called Best Buy and paid a lot less, and I did not have to get my hands dirty. I was also happy for the fact that I can drive without the second Audi keys. Now, all systems in the market claim that you have to have your other Audi key to drive the car. But like I showed you earlier, you don't have to. Now, again, don't learn from me. I won't take any responsibility for any loss might occur because of this. But myself, I don't feel that I lose one key. In fact, I gain 2 keys. So that is another happy surprise. Will the system work on other cars, especially other Audis? Well, you can try your luck. You can look at the manufacturer website, or you can try on Best Buy. Or maybe even better, call Best Buy and talk to the technician. I tried some other models. It said it works on Q5 and Q7, but not Q8 or Q3. It works on A4, A6, A8, but not A7. I do not know whether those are correct or not, and I do not understand why. So I hope this video is helpful for you to look for a remote starter for your Audi. If that is the case, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will post more video in the future. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.